Okay, so you want to know how to ask where are you from in Mandarin? Fine, I'll show you how. But before that, you must remember to open your Telegram, open up a group, add that person, remove that person, and then we get started. All right, come, let me show you how to say where are you from in Mandarin. Two ways. Let's get started. All right, we are in our Telegram group now. So I'm going to show you the two ways, which is very easy. But before getting there, you need to know how the entire formula works. So when you understand how the formula works, you get it. Okay, first things first, we learn in English, where are you from? Okay, I show you two ways. Okay, let's start off with the first way. The first way is called 你从哪里来? Okay, so let me go slow again. 你从哪里来? Which called where are you from? Sifu, slow down. I want to know. Okay, let me just show you. But before that, you see, this is one sentence. You see, when Mandarin sentences get longer and longer, you need to understand the entire sentence by segments. So if you see here, we have about three segments. First is subject, which is called 你. Okay. Second is called 从 and 来. 从 and 来. 从 is from, 来 is come, but don't worry about that. You just remember 从 location 来. So once you understand 从 location 来, then you know the next one that you see here is called 哪里. You see, 你 is you, 从 is from. Okay, and then 哪里 is called where, but of course when you pronounce 哪里, you must pronounce with the right tone. 哪里, 哪里, 哪里. Okay, the tone, very important tones. Okay, 从哪里来? Oops, I'm going fast. Slow down. C. Okay, start off with first 你 you, 从 C-O-N-G, 从哪里, and A, this one, because this is also called 哪. This is called 那. This is called 哪. Okay, 哪里来. Okay, 来. Okay, 你从哪里来? So the formula is 你 is you, 从 and 来 is one set, and then the middle, these two words here. Let me highlight. Can I highlight it? This is called 哪里 in Mandarin. 哪里 is called where. So you have to understand the formula. That's how it works. Then you apply it into action. So when someone asks you 你从哪里来, this is the secret. You remove the 哪里 and you put in any locations that you're from. Let's say, for example, you are from Malaysia. So if I ask you 你从哪里来, so you just tell 我从 Malaysia 来. But now you do not know what is Malaysia. So Malaysia, I tell you, is called Malaysia. Ma Lai. Okay, X-I-C and then Y-A. Malaysia. Malaysia is Malaysia. So if you do not know any locations, this is what you do. You just get into Google Translate. Where's Google Translate? You get into Google Translate, and then you type in any locations that you're from. Let's say, for example, you're from Germany. What is Germany? Do not know. Click Germany, click here, and then you see it's called 德国. So 德国. So DE, but now the thing here is you're learning how to write, so you do not copy and paste. So you see how the character looks like, 德国, DEGUO. Get down into your Telegram. So you want to know 德国. So Germany is called 德国, is called DE. So you say DEGUO. Got or not? Oh, that's there already. Then, okay, 德国. So if you want to tell I'm from Germany, so what do you say? 我从 C-O-N-G 从德国来. That's it. 我从德国来. So if you're from Malaysia, you say 我从马来西亚来. But it may not need to be your country. It could be your state that you're living. Or maybe it could be in the garden you're living or the house that you're living. Okay? So it could be any locations that you come from, not necessarily country. Okay? All right. So this is the first way. There's another way you can say it. Okay? It is called 你 and I 你 来自 Z-I 自来自哪哪 sorry N-A-L-I 哪里 This is another way of telling where are you from. Remember, catch the keyword 哪里. So this one also has 3 segments. 你 is the first segment, 来自 is from, and 哪里 is where. So the solution here is, if I ask you 你来自哪里, take out the 哪里, and then switch it to any locations that you come from. So now, if you are from Germany, so what do you say? 我来自德国 D-E-G-U-O. Is it 德国? Alright? 我来自德国. So this is how you say where are you from and I'm from this location. Okay, this is the first way, which is called 你从哪里来哪里 remove put in location. Second way is 你来自哪里 remove 哪里 put in the location. Alright, so these are the 2 ways of saying where are you from in Mandarin. So now if you're watching this video now, practice time. Comment below where are you from. It could be the country that you're living in, or it could be the city that you're living in. Get into Google Translate, find out what is it, copy. Try not to copy, try to see how the pronunciation is. Comment below, let me know where are you from, alright? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, share, and hit on the bell button. Subscribe to my channel, and you're going to receive a lot of videos of me teaching you how to write in Mandarin. It's not more about speaking, it's about writing in Mandarin and becoming fluent. Alright, so you want to be part of my journey to become fluent? This is the chance. Why Mandarin is very easy. Sifu is here. Don't have to worry, alright? Gotta go. 谢谢，再见。